without a sound. Roots release into holy ground. Thoughts fall quiet, control lets go. A deeper rhythm starts to flow. No command, no counting time. This bloom arrives by no design. Petals form from silent trust. Grace moves through what once was dust. I am opening all at once, like a field beneath the sun. Nothing forced and nothing held. This is how the soul unfolds. Every color finds its place, wild and calm